Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. Alright then, we're just taking a quick look at XRP today on our daily time frame. As we can see, things looking pretty nice as we have broken out of this descending wedge type pattern that we have seen for Verasity for some time here. We've come down and had a nice deep back test into this recent move that we saw, obviously from the lows down at around 1/4 of a cent all the way up to here at around 1/8 of a cent. A really nice move here of around 4x from that extreme low down here where we almost tapped that 1/5 of a cent up to 1/8 of a cent, around a 4x as you can see. Came down. After this recent impulse, we came up to the top pretty much of the bear market range, as I talked about so many times. This is a key area here. You can see we pretty much tapped this and got rejected, came back down, started to form this descending wedge that so many altcoins have been forming up. And you can see Verasity has, over the past 3 days, broken out of this. On Friday, you can see we got this reversal off of the lows. We came down, back tested our previous area of resistance as support. Obviously, we filled all this gap here, which we haven't actually come down and filled. Nice entry here down here if you took a long position on this previous level of structure, and then bounced to the upside, broke out of resistance. Obviously over the past 2 days for the weekend, low liquidity and volatility as you would expect, but overall very much looking like, in my opinion, we are going to be having a continuation back up to where we form this descending wedge, just like you see so many times in the markets. You can see here Verasity, in my opinion, really starting to look bullish here. As you can see, we've come up off of the lows. We obviously had that range, that local range that we were in for some time. Ever since in June we came and made the high and the low, both tested twice. We test the low and the high again. We break out, come back down, grab some liquidity inside this area, and now looking like this could be a back test to come back up and retest resistance again, in my opinion. As always, I preface anything that Verasity does with the fact that Bitcoin, if Bitcoin does anything in either direction, we could see Verasity having some extreme volatility. Obviously, if Bitcoin drops, no matter what's going on with Verasity, it will drop as well. We all know now, hopefully, that everything is highly correlated to what Bitcoin is doing. And we can see here, basically, Verasity responding to Bitcoin having a very decent move. You can see here pretty much coming down, retesting into some of these lows, and then bouncing back up. You can see that past little move there has seen some relief for Verasity as well, and all of our other altcoins. Just another quick look across the market. If we look at VeChain, for example, you can see this is looking highly correlated to this kind of price action. All of these cryptos looking like they're moving pretty much in tandem, as you would expect. So no surprises here when we look at Verasity and see that it's moving fairly in line with what the local moves are for our other altcoins. Although our large caps are outperforming Verasity at the minute. Verasity being a small cap, it does need to see that big, huge altcoin rotation that we haven't really seen yet. We've seen our big altcoins, obviously VeChain, XRP, Cardano, Polkadot, some of those cryptos. Obviously, Phantom, Avalanche, etc., etc. Quant, even all these cryptos have been moving up very nicely. But obviously, Verasity, we've yet to see that big impulse that we need to see coming out and taking that out, that local swing high of the 9th of March area. We've yet to see this taken out like most cryptos have done. So obviously underperforming the market right now, but I do think we are going to have our time in the sun. Really good time to be accumulating. I continue to accumulate, waiting for that breakout towards the all-time high. Overall, I'm still chilling and waiting, and we are looking like in this local area we are going to flip bullish again. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.
You